In this guide, you will learn how to insert video and audio into your PowerPoint 365 presentation easily. This is a very useful feature that helps make your slides more dynamic and engaging. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the specific slide where you want to insert the video or audio. Make sure that you are selecting the correct slide, as this is where the media will be added. Next, click on the Insert tab located at the top of the screen. This tab contains a variety of tools and options for adding content to your slide. In the Insert tab, look for the media group. Here, you will see two main options, one for inserting videos and one for inserting audio files. To insert a video, you can choose either to upload a file from your computer or to embed a video directly from YouTube. If you already have a video saved on your device, click on the video option, then select this device and browse for your file. Once selected, the video will appear directly on your slide and you can move or resize it as needed. The steps for inserting audio are quite similar. Under the media group, select audio. You will have two options, either upload audio from your computer or choose from available sounds within PowerPoint. After selecting your preferred option and choosing the file, the audio icon will appear on your slide and the sound will be added successfully. With just a few steps, you can now enrich your PowerPoint slides by embedding videos and sounds, helping your presentation to become more interactive and professional.